This is Visit Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see Messenger password. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Cyber criminals haven't made it easy to Facebook Messenger. As technology advances, they invent new ways to crack user password and access private messages. As Facebook tries to eliminate password traces, you can keep your Messenger account secure by changing your password regularly. And as we know, if you want to change password, we have to enter our old password. So how to check your password on your Messenger? It's so simple. So first, you can open your browser, your Chrome. Here's I'm using Google Chrome as my browser. Now you can just tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. Tap on settings. You can see there is an option Google Password Manager. You can just tap on that. Now, Messenger password is our Facebook password. So you can just search for facebook.com. Here, you can just tap on that. You can enter your screen lock. So here's all your email and password of your Facebook. You can see the password by tap on the a icon on here to check, and maybe you can just tap on copy on here. So here where you can check your Facebook password or Messenger password on your phone. It's so simple, right? So that is how to see your Messenger password. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.